Loco Nuts.
Hooray, hooray! We're at the park. Time to play. Wow, look at all that litter. Oh, someone forgot to pick up all their trash.
Why don't you kids be good little helpers and pick up all the trash?
Okay, let's race. First one done gets an ice cream. Yay! We are cleaning up the park in our neighborhood, picking up the trash, making things look good.
Nice!
Charlie, must you eat bananas while you clean up? Well, I need to keep up my energy for all this hard work. Recycle all the plastics, fill up all the bins, rake up all the leaves so playtime can begin. Whee! Charlie! Let's play clean up in the park so we can play till after dark. First we'll tidy every space. It's a clean up in the park time race. I'm sure I'm gonna win. Watch me. The green bin is for plastics. The brown one's for food trash. Yellow's for bananas. Oh, you make me laugh. The yellow bin's for tins. And the blue one is for glass. That's a giant bin for such a little lass. Let's play clean up in the park so we can play till after dark. First we'll tidy every space. It's a clean up in the park time race. I like to clean. I like to eat. Look, I ate bananas. Would you like some peel?
Just drop it in my belly!
Cool, okay, done deal. I just drank a fizzy. Where do I put the can?
In the yellow bin, dear!
Oh, that's right, yes ma'am. Why, thank you. Whoa! Let's play clean up in the park so we can play till after dark. First we'll tidy every space. It's a clean up in the park time race. I know I'm gonna win this race because I'm cleaning up everything in sight.
Not that, Lily!
The park is looking tidy now with all the trash and bins. And you can see the green and how playtime can begin. We are all so very proud. We worked real hard today. So we'll have an ice cream and play the day away.
Let's play clean up in the park
So we can play till after dark. First we'll tidy every space. It's a clean up in the park time race. I won! I won! Can I have some ice cream now?
Not yet, Lily.
But why not?
First you gotta put the soap on good. Rub it on your arms and legs. Then you gotta wash your whole body. We're gonna get clean today. Oh, scrubby-dubby, in the tubby, do a little rinse and shine. Scrubby-dubby, playing with bubblies, oh, I love that time. Oh, I love bath time.
Then you gotta put the shampoo on. Treat your head with care. Wash, wash, round and round. It's good to have clean hair.
Scrubby-dubby, in the tubby, do a little rinse and shine. Scrubby-dubby, playing with bubblies, oh, I love bath time.
Oh, I love bath time.
Now we're gonna use the cream rinse to make our hair real smooth. It helps get the tangles out. You will feel brand new. Scrubby-dubby, in the tubby, do a little rinse and shine. Scrubby-dubby, playing with bubblies, oh, I love bath time.
Finally we're gonna rinse
rinse it off. The water feels so nice. All done, grab a towel, it's time to get dry.
Scrubby-dubby, in the tubby, do a little rinse and shine. Scrubby-dubby, playing with bubblies, oh, I love that time. Scrubby-dubby, in the tubby, do a little rinse and shine. Scrubby-dubby, playing with bubblies, oh, I love that time. Lily?
Yeah?
Alex? Ruby?
Yes, ma'am.
Charlie? Yes, you, Charlie.
Oh.
Come on, munchkins, it's time to wash your hands.
Okay.
It's time to wash your hands and get them very clean. Just soap and water, it's simple as it seems. Lather up and rinse, that's the way to do it right. Then brush your teeth and kiss your mom and dad goodnight.
Wash, 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 wash. Clean, clean, clean machine.
It's time to wash your hands before we go to school.
That's me.
Just soap and water, that's the golden rule. Lather up and rinse, that's the way to do it right.
Yeah.
And off you go, my kitties, all fresh and clean and bright.
Wash, 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 wash. Clean, clean, clean machine. It's time to wash my hands before I have some lunch. Just soap and water, I lather up a bunch. Look at how I'm learning to keep my hands so clean. I'm the cleanest bunny the world has ever seen. Wash, 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 wash. Clean, clean, clean machine.
So when your hands are dirty, take a tip from me.
Washing up with soap and water is the key.
You can make it fun
And do it every day. Washing up with soap will keep the germs away. Wash, 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 wash. Clean, clean, clean machine. Wash, 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 wash. Clean, clean, clean machine. I'm clean. Me too. Look, I packed lots of fruit for our picnic. Did I spy a banana? Oh, save me some strawberries, please. Grapes. We're Rudy Tooty Fruity. We love all kinds of fruits. How about this beauty? Yeah, fruit is such a hoot. I'm watermelon happy. Yum. I'm peachy as can be. I love peaches. The fruit I like is mango. It grows on a mango tree. Mango, mango, mango. For me, I go banana. raspberry. Oh.